just in case this happens to you. Last night, I dyed my hair with henna, natural henna, nothing but natural henna. And it turned very, very orange. So I was looking for a solution, and I looked online, and I read that indigo powder over henna dye would darken my hair. So I went running this morning looking for a store that carried indigo, and I found one. It's an Indian store, and yes, they did have the indigo, thank God. Before that, I went to another one which they did not have it. So then I bought the powder and I mixed it. Right now I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna put it over my hair here. I will show you the powder. Here, this is the powder. I mixed it and it got kind of a black paste. So now I'll put it on my hair. Once I'm done, I'll get back and I'll show you the results. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna be leaving this cap on 2 hours. Once I take it off, wash my hair, dry it, I will show you the results. Okay? This is what's left. I get the gloves, I use a spoon to mix it, and I use a little brush to apply it. Now I have to clean a little bit of this mess. It's not too bad. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. My sink didn't get too dirty, so it's okay. Hi guys, this is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna wash it off, and I'll let you guys see how it looks. It turned dark, but when I get close up, I still see like a little bit of the orange. So I hope it toned it down at least once I wash it. Okay, I'll let you guys know. Hi, I'm back. These are the results. I wanted it a little darker. This is like a chocolate brown. So definitely it covered up the orange. So if you ever dye your hair and with pure henna and you end up with orange hair, you could always mix some indigo powder and put it over the orange hair, and it looks like it does cover it. It may work for some, maybe not for all, but it's worth a try. And yes, it did darken it, and like I said, it got rid of the orange. Any suggestions, any tips, let me know. I will now show you what I used. I used this henna. I bought it at Sally's. It's called Reshma henna, in case you cannot see it, because I noticed that it comes out backwards when I put it on here, but it's Reshma henna, and I got it at Sally's. I used that first. Then after that, I used this indigo powder, and I bought it at an Indian store, and the name of it is Ganeshas, Ganeshas Indigo Powder. Thank you for watching.